The United Kingdom, UK, is an island country located off the northwestern coast of mainland Europe. It consists of 4 parts: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The UK covers an area of about 248,532 square kilometers, 95,960 square miles, making it the 7th largest island country in the world. The UK has a diverse geography, with mountainous regions in the north and west, and lowland areas in the south and east. The UK is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean, the North Sea, the English Channel and the Irish Sea. The UK shares a land border with the Republic of Ireland, which occupies the northeastern part of the island of Ireland. The UK also has many smaller islands, such as the Isle of Wight, the Shetland Islands and the Channel Islands. The UK has a population of over 67 million people, according to estimates for 2021. The population is unevenly distributed across the 4 parts of the UK, with England being the most populous, followed by Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The population is also concentrated in urban areas, with London being the largest city and capital of the UK, followed by Birmingham, Manchester and Glasgow. The UK has a diverse and multicultural society, with people of various ethnicities, religions and languages. The currency of the United Kingdom is the pound sterling. The pound sterling is one of the oldest currencies in the world, dating back to the 8th century. The origins of the United Kingdom can be traced to the time of the Anglo-Saxon king Athelstan, who in the early 10th century CE secured the allegiance of neighboring Celtic kingdoms and became the first to rule what previously many kings shared between them, in the words of a contemporary chronicle. Through subsequent conquest over the following centuries, kingdoms lying farther afield came under English dominion. Wales, a congeries of Celtic kingdoms lying in Great Britain's southwest, was formally united with England by the Acts of Union of 1536 and 1542. Scotland, ruled from London since 1603, formally was joined with England and Wales in 1707 to form the United Kingdom of Great Britain. The adjective British came into use at this time to refer to all the kingdom's peoples. Ireland came under English control during the 1600s and was formally united with Great Britain through the Act of Union of 1800. The Republic of Ireland gained its independence in 1922, but 6 of Ulster's 9 counties remained part of the United Kingdom as Northern Ireland. Relations between these constituent states and England have been marked by controversy and, at times, open rebellion and even warfare. These tensions relaxed somewhat during the late 20th century, when devolved assemblies were introduced in Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales. Nonetheless, even with the establishment of a power-sharing assembly after referenda in both Northern Ireland and the Irish Republic, relations between Northern Ireland's Unionists, who favour continued British sovereignty, over Northern Ireland, and Nationalists, who favour unification with the Republic of Ireland, remained tense into the 21st century. Stonehenge, Wiltshire, England. Stonehenge, prehistoric circular earthwork and stone religious site, Wiltshire, England. Late Neolithic period to early Bronze Age, 1800 to 1400 BCE. Ravenscraig Castle, Kirkcaldy, Scotland. The United Kingdom has made significant contributions to the world economy, especially in technology and industry. Since World War II, however, the United Kingdom's most prominent exports have been cultural, including literature, theatre, film, television, and popular music that draw on all parts of the country. Perhaps Britain's greatest export has been the English language, now spoken in every corner of the world as one of the leading international mediums of cultural and economic exchange. The United Kingdom retains links with parts of its former empire through the Commonwealth. It also benefits from historical and cultural links with the United States and is a member of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. Moreover, the United Kingdom became a member of the European Union in 1973. Many Britons, however, were sometimes reluctant EU members, holding to the sentiments of the great wartime Prime Minister Winston Churchill, who sonorously remarked, "We see nothing but good and hope in a richer, freer, more contented European commonalty. But we have our own dream and our own task. We are with Europe, but not of it. We are linked, but not comprised. We are interested and associated, but not absorbed. Indeed, in June 2016, in a referendum on whether the United Kingdom should remain in the EU, 52% of British voters chose to leave. After much negotiation, several deadline extensions, prolonged domestic political discord, and 2 changes of prime minister, an agreement on Brexit was reached that satisfied both the EU and the majority of Parliament. Thus, on January 31, 2020, the United Kingdom would become the first country to withdraw from the EU. The culture of the United Kingdom is influenced by its history, geography, and diverse identities of its 4 constituent countries: England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. The UK has been described as a cultural superpower, and London has been ranked as a world cultural capital. The UK has a rich literary heritage encompassing the works of English writers such as William Shakespeare, Jane Austen, Charles Dickens, and J.K. Rowling, as well as Scottish writers such as Robert Burns, Walter Scott, and Arthur Conan Doyle. The UK is also known for its music, with genres ranging from classical to pop, rock, and electronic. The UK has produced many influential musicians and bands, such as the Beatles, the Rolling Stones, Queen, Led Zeppelin, Pink Floyd, The Clash, and Adele. The UK is also home to some of the world's most renowned museums, galleries, and theatres, such as the British Museum, the Tate Modern, the National Gallery, the Royal Opera House, and the West End. The UK has a strong tradition of broadcasting, with the BBC being the world's oldest national broadcaster and a public service provider. The UK also has a vibrant film industry, with directors such as Alfred Hitchcock, David Lean, Ridley Scott, and Christopher Nolan, and actors such as Laurence Olivier, Judi Dench, Daniel Day-Lewis, and Kate Winslet. The UK is also famous for its sports culture, especially football, rugby union, cricket, tennis, golf, and motorsport. The UK has hosted several major international sporting events, such as the Olympic Games in 1908, 1948 and 2012. The UK is also known for its cuisine, which reflects its multicultural society and colonial legacy. Some of the most popular dishes include fish and chips, roast beef and Yorkshire pudding, shepherd's pie, haggis, Welsh rarebit, and chicken tikka masala.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.